Yo, what's good, people? It's man like Jamo. You done know I had to come and talk about this little thing again. The Lenovo Book 9i fam. Their most premium flagship laptop. This laptop don't even have a keyboard. It's just two OLED screens and vibes. No graphics cards in there though, so gamers, I don't think this one's going to be for us unless we're doing the game streaming thing. But just from a multitasking point of view, look how sick this thing is, guys. Look how sick this thing is. Comes with a little keyboard case. Well, actually, I think the case is separate from the keyboard, but the case can house the keyboard kind of thing, so that you've got this kind of setup that you can see here. Obviously both screens are touchscreen. It even comes with a little pen. This just looks wavy. Where you set this up, people are going to be asking what the hell is that. It's basically a dual screen setup which has the same footprint as a normal netbook. That's what gasses me, kind of thing. I wish they did make a version with a dedicated graphics card in it, because imagine playing games on the bottom screen and then having whatever content you want on the top screen with its dual screen capabilities. Now, you can use one of the screens on the bottom, well, whatever orientation you have the laptop in, as the keyboard or as a trackpad or as a drawing pad, and have, you know, the top screen as the main screen. You can do that as well. But yeah, my favorite method of using it would definitely be having the little mini keyboard in front and then having the dual screen situation going on. Now, you don't get one Thunderbolt 4 port in this device, you get three. However, that's all you get. Yeah, so that's your charging ports, that's your display port out ports, that's your what's the thing called again, flipping external GPU and thing. Everything has to work with those three ports. Oh, you do get the little camera privacy switch thing, as per usual, standard procedure on Lenovo Legion and Legion laptops, whatever they're called. Little power button and that. I'd love the chrome accents around the whole laptop as well, but it's just this way, the way it stands up, fam. That is the real stunt in Costa, in Starbucks, when you're using your laptop. And look how small it is when you pick it up. That is no weight at all. It's no footprint at all. You've literally got your dual screen set up without having to bring an external monitor in your bag with you as well. It's all USB-C charging, so that's just one less cable, well, literally one cable that you have to bring with you to charge it and power it and do everything else. This is wicked. I definitely want to get my hands on this, fam. The only thing that's really annoying is all the fingerprints on that glossy screen. Disgusting. But yeah, nah, looks good, man. Looks good. I'll let you guys know if I get any closer to touching it in the future. Ooh, food.